Blogs are the internet's way of keeping everybody posted as to the latest shenanigans that you're up to. You can do this without having to rewrite your whole website. Maybe you've got a special offer that you want everyone to be aware of, or maybe you just want to make an announcement. I don't know, maybe you've won an award for outstanding web design. Whatever it is that you want to say, that you can easily and quickly do it through a blog without having to update your whole website. You could do it using the software that we've already looked at, but it's messy, it's difficult, and it's awkward if it wants to be searchable or archived or anything. People are buzzing me while I'm trying to record. So for this very reason, we're going to use WordPress. It makes what could be a difficult task within everyone's reach. You can use whichever software you like, but for this tutorial, I'll be using WordPress. So open Site Builder and click the pencil icon for the menu. Click Edit Menu, and in the left-hand column, click Add New Item. A new dialog box will appear, and we'll give our item the name Blog. Now then, if you were to click Apply Now, we would simply create another page called Blog. Now this is where it gets weird, because this is actually what we want to do. But because of the way Site Builder writes everything, we have to go around it in a funny way. We need to give it a bit more information. So rather than just creating a page in the default manner, we're going to make a specific link to the page. So click Link, then click the radio button next to External Link To. Like I said, this is unusual because we're asking the button to go outside of the website and look back in on itself. But I have tried this using external links, and trust me, this is the best way to avoid confusion. Shut up, cat. I'm busy. Go away, cat. So in the box next to the radio button, type in the following: https :// and then your domain name. In my case, this is pwh-test.co.uk/blog. Yeah, I know. I should have registered skateboard taxis, but that's before I knew that what my tutorials were going to be about. So click Apply to bring you back to your previous screen. Make sure Blog is written in the item name at the top there. Now if you preview your site, you will see Blog in your menu bar. There it is. But if you click it, you'll just get an error message because we haven't actually created the page yet. So save your draft and we'll come back to this later. We've done all that we can now in this website. We need to create our WordPress blog now. You might as well close Site Builder down and the error page as well. And this should take you back to your Plesk control panel. Click the link to WordPress on the left panel. Click Install and make sure you click the Custom option. If you click the wrong one, it'll write over all of your hard work and install a random WordPress site instead of what you've been doing. But don't panic though, if you do this, it's not a problem. It's not a train wreck because everything is still saved in Site Builder, so you can simply just upload it again from there if you do that. So once you've clicked the custom option, this is where you can tell it about your blog link that you created earlier. This is where WordPress is going to be installed. So after the / type over WordPress and change it to blog. This is the address that we created in Site Builder earlier. So you've got your website address / blog, and that is where WordPress is going to be installed. So choose a name and password that you can easily remember. I suggest just using the same as you use for your Plesk control panel. Put your email address and company name or blog name in and change the language to one of your choice. Leave it in American if you want. Nothing else needs to be filled in, so just click the button and away we go. Once the installation is complete, it'll ask you if you want to install plugins. Just say no for now, worry about them later. Here we can see that the site has been installed on our blog page. You should now be presented with this page whenever you click WordPress on the left of your control panel. So this is like the control panel for WordPress. Let's just check that the link we created earlier is working. If it is, there should be something other than a 404 error message this time. So click Websites and Domains at the top of the left panel and go into your site builder. Click Preview and then click Blog. This time we have something there, no more error messages. It needs some work though. We've created a tiny problem for ourselves. I wonder if you can spot it. There's no menu bar to go back to any other page on our website. We'll need to manually put these in. The easiest way is if we just put one link to our main site. Close both your WordPress page and Site Builder. You should now be back at your control panel. Select WordPress on the left panel and log in to your admin dashboard. We will find the option for creating menus somewhere here. It's in the Appearance section. So hover over or click Appearance and go down the list to Menus. Where it says Menu Structure, click Create Menu. Oh, we need to give it a name first. We'll just call it, I'll call it Skateboard. Homepage. I'll do. Create menu. In the Add Menu Items section, click Custom Links. Type in the website address for your website and give it a name. So I'll call mine Skateboard Taxis Homepage. Then click the Add to Menu button. You'll need to tell WordPress where you want to show this link. I'll save it in both the primary and footer areas. Save the menus and check that all is good so far. Open your website, or if you haven't published it yet, you can run the preview in Site Builder like we did earlier. there it is at the top, and there it is in the footer. But do they work? Yes. Now let's tidy things up a bit. Hello world. Yeah, that can go. Let's get rid of that. In WordPress, click Posts. Put a tick in the box and click Bin. There, gone. Let's create a post of our own. In the post page, click Add New. Just get rid of that message. We'll then give it a title. I want to offer free skateboard taxi rides. So that is my eye-catching header. Now then, you can make things look quite good if you've got an eye for this sort of thing. I'm going to make a block which allows a picture and some written content. If you move your mouse down a little from the header, you'll notice a plus sign will appear. Click this and a whole range of other toys appears. For now, I'm going to select this one, media and text. If you're happy with it, click preview or just go ahead and publish it. You can make things look a lot better by adapting the themes or even creating your own to more closely match the theme of your site builder website if you want. I'll leave you to play with it.